When we become an independent contractor of Atomy, it's all about you. It's making me cry. Sorry. It's all about you. Why? Because it's all about your dreams, your goals. Atomy is going to ask you, what is your dream? What is your goal? That's why the question here is, did we ever fill up already the life scenario that we have on our website? Because these are our whys. Why do we join Atomy? Why people need to know about Atomy? Why? I'm sorry. Why people need to join Atomy? Because when we see Atomy's motto, right, we could really already see the rules and regulation of Atomy, which is unselfish, and it's all about you. It geared again about with you. So the first one is cherish the spirit. Why cherish the spirit? I agree with the founder of Atomy, with Mr. Park, that our spirit comes from God. And as a woman of faith, I believe that. And that's why he emphasized how to cherish the spirit is through baby philosophy. It's like mother nourishing a baby. We have to see each other important. We are all important as an individual because God has given us his spirit, and that's why it creates this integrity, not to take advantage with someone else's. And that's one of mottos of Atomy, is not to take someone an advantage with the knowledge that we have, but to cherish them, but to respect them, whether they're going to agree with Atomy or not, but to respect them. And if they become a member, we have to still respect them, even if they are a new member or they are veterans. Now, secondly, the second motto of Atomy is to create the vision. And just like what I've said before, this vision is not based on Atomy, it's based on you. Atomy is all about you. Atomy is not all about the dream of your boss, it's all about you. And thirdly is to follow the faith. And as a woman of God, for me, faith is the things that we hope for. Things that you don't see it yet, but you believe it's going to happen. And that's why it's important to write down the vision, have faith with it, have faith in it, and take an action. Because when we have a vision and we have the faith and we take action, it means it's equal to reality, where we going to taste and see the fruit of our labor. Lastly, why people should join in Atomy, it's because it emphasizes to serve in humility. Whether a person is new in Atomy or whether a person is already a veteran and successful, everyone needs to serve in humility. Everyone must be ready to serve each other. And that's why Atomy is still, it emphasizes the integrity, and it's all about you. Let's talk about the earnings when it comes to Atomy. Why people should join Atomy? Because it's open in all walks of life. It doesn't matter what status you have, what education level you have, whether you are somebody or not. This is open to everyone. Whether you know how to read or write, whether your English is fluent or not, Atomy is open to all. With Atomy, you are in charge on how much you're going to earn and when do you want to have it. How much you're going to earn in 1 week from now, in 3 months from now, in 1 year from now, and when do you want to happen? When do you want to get that goal? And with Atomy, you're not going to have only a pat on your back, but Atomy will give you a bonus. And with Atomy, will not only put your name on the wall of fame, but Atomy will give you bonus. And that's why people should join Atomy. With Atomy, Atomy is not giving you a restriction with your time. You are in charge of your time. Do you want to do it as a part-time? That's all right. Do you want to do it with while you're working? That's okay. I still remember when I was still working in a corporate America, they told me I could not have another job. I need just to keep my job in that dialysis center as a unit clerk. I have only one job. I could not get another job, but not with Atomy. Atomy will not restrict you. No matter how many jobs you want, and you want to do it with Atomy, Atomy will not stop you. Atomy will not tell you as well, when do you want to clock in? When do you want to clock out? Atomy will not dictate you, where do you want to conduct your business? And this is the reason why we should join Atomy.